Today we're sharing our honest thoughts on the Digestive Advantage Probiotics Gummies with vitamin D. This is something we take daily, so we'll share what we like and what you should know before deciding if it's right for you. First, let's talk about taste. These gummies come in natural fruit flavors, and honestly, they taste great. We've tried other probiotics, and taste can often be a deal breaker, but these are enjoyable to take every day. Now, effectiveness. For us, these gummies have really made a difference. They help with occasional bloating and overall gut health. It's not an instant fix, but with daily use, we've noticed less discomfort and better digestion. One feature we appreciate is the added vitamin D. It's an easy way to get a little extra immune support, which is especially helpful during colder months when we don't get as much sunlight. The gummies are also incredibly convenient. No water or refrigeration needed. Just pop them in your bag and take them on the go. This is perfect for busy lifestyles like ours. Overall, Digestive Advantage Probiotics Gummies have become a staple for us. They taste good, they're easy to take, and we've seen real benefits for our digestion and overall health.